Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time here, welcome on board. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your continued support. My name is Alaba. I'm a travel enthusiast and a content creator. Today I'll be talking about ESTA. ESTA is the electronic system for travel authorization. If this sounds interesting to you, please stick around. Welcome back. Like I said earlier, ESTA is the electronic system for travel authorization. It's an automated system that determines eligibility of visitors to visit the United States under the Visa Waiver program. Okay, what do I mean by Visa Waiver? Visa Waiver allows you to travel to the United States without necessarily going to the embassy to apply for a visa. Okay, and under this program, you are expected to apply at least 72 hours before your departure date. Okay, and the cost of application is $4, and after approval, you pay additional $17 charge, which brings it to a total of $21. Okay, note that ESTA is valid for 2 years and you can travel for extended period up to 90 days. If you want to stay longer, you need to go to the United States Embassy near you to apply for a visa. Okay. Note that we have over 40 countries who are eligible to travel under the Visa Waiver program. I'm going to display the list of 40 countries shortly to my top right of my screen. Okay. And the information you need to apply for ESTA includes your name, your address, your email address, your phone number, your passport number, where your passport was issued, the validity of your passport, if you have applied for a US visa before, if you have been refused, okay, if you have any criminal record, if you're involved in any illegal activities, and so on. You have to put all this information there. After inputting all this information, then you submit the form. Uh, Ordinarily, under normal condition, you get a response within 24 to 48 hours, but it is advisable to apply in time so as to get a response before your desired departure date. Okay, it is always advisable to apply 72 hours before your intended departure date. Okay, it's $21 in total. Okay, $4 for initial application. When it's approved, you pay additional $17. All right. This is the information I have for you this morning. If you like the video, kindly give the video a thumbs up. And if you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button so as to get notification anytime I upload new content. Thank you for your time and see you on the next one. Bye.